Dear kids, once upon a time there were two drops of water in a lake, Drip and Drop. Drip was a small, playful drop of water with naughtiness in his eyes, while Drop was gentle and peaceful. One day, while Drip and Drop were jumping here and there in the lake, they suddenly reached top of the lake. Here they saw the beautiful view of sky and rays of sun reaching the top of the lake. They liked this view very much, and a desire arose in their tiny hearts to go on a journey to the sky. Meanwhile, few drops of water reached there from the sky. It was quite amazing for Drip and Drop, and they excitedly asked from these drops that is it possible that they can visit the sky. These droplets replied, yes, you can also visit the sky, but for this you need to remain at the top of the lake, and the sun rays will convert you into the vapors, and then you will be able to go to the sky. They told them that the transformation process is called evaporation. Although Drip and Drop want to get some more information from these drops regarding the transformation and their journey to the sky, but these drops quickly settled into the lake. But Drip and Drop decided that they would go on a journey to the sky, and for that they worked hard to keep themselves at the upper surface of the lake. So, children, Drip and Drop also learned an important lesson that hard work is the only key to the success. Although one thing was yet confusing for Drip and Drop, that either how they will transform back into liquid from vapors, and this information they couldn't take from the droplets which were there from the sky. Anyway, when they thought about it, they understood one thing, that since the drops coming from the sky had reached the top of the lake in the form of water, so there might be some process there above in the sky by which they can be converted into the droplets again. But they don't have information about that, so they decided that they would definitely go to this journey to the sky and learn about these processes. One clear and shiny day, the sun rays find the two droplets quite excited for the evaporation, and definitely these droplets were Drip and Drop. Both of them quickly absorbed these sun rays and turned into vapors. Drip and Drop realized that they are now lighter than air and started automatically moving upward towards their destination, that is indeed sky. As the Drip and Drop moved up and above, they felt that the coldness due to quick fall in temperature. Suddenly they were in the front of rude ice crystal, and this crystal said to the Drip and Drop, now be ready for the next conversion into droplets and becoming a part of a cloud nexus. Crystal also told them that this conversion process is called as condensation. So Drip and Drop then undergo from condensation, and they become droplets from the vapors and the part of a cloud nexus. With Nexus, Drip and Drop started a new journey and reached at new heights of the sky where the temperature was very low. Here Nexus announced that be ready, I am going from a thunderstorm. Drip and Drop heard a loud sound and lightning in the Nexus that made them afraid for a while. But soon they understood that it's a natural process. Now Nexus informed Drip and Drop that your journey is over now, and be ready to change into the raindrops. Nexus also told them that this process is called as precipitation. So Drip and Drop now converted into raindrops, becoming heavier than air and started freely falling towards the earth. The Drip and Drop landed in a water stream that bring them to the river. While traveling from the river, Drip asked from Drop that how thunderstorm occurs. Drop replied, for this we need to go again high into the sky. So Drip and Drop decided to get this journey again, and they were ready for their next journey to the sky from the new location. Dear kids, the continuous journey of water from the sky to earth, and then from earth to sky, and from sky back to some new location on the earth is called as water cycle. In the next story, we will learn with the drip and drop that how thunderstorm occurs in clouds. So children, if you want to learn this, then please subscribe Cartoon for Kids Learning channel, and also like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.